My name is Julio Salgado, and I am a visual artist who benefits from DACA. And like you, I have a lot of questions about the new DACA rule. Let's discuss what's happening with DACA. Before we start, here are the most important things to remember. Current DACA recipients can still renew their DACA, even up to less than a year past the expiration date. First-time DACA applications are still on hold at USCIS. They are not being processed at the moment. Advanced parole is still open for current DACA recipients. Now, let's talk about the latest in the news. The Department of Homeland Security released a final rule on DACA. So what is the new DACA rule? The new DACA rule formalizes the existing DACA policy. Why did the government take this step? Well, DACA was originally created by a memo from then Secretary of Homeland Security Janet Napolitano. In previous court cases, judges have said that the government should have gone through a more official process to create DACA, including accepting comments from the public. Now, the Biden administration has gone through that process. Unfortunately, as we'll talk about in a second, this likely won't be enough to save DACA from other legal challenges. Now, let's talk about what the actual DACA rule says. The new rule formalizes the DACA policy, but doesn't change much to DACA as it is today. DACA still provides protection from deportation and work authorization. The eligibility requirements are the same, and the application process is the same. The rule won't be implemented until October 31st, 2022. Nothing changes today, and that may likely be delayed by litigation. The rule doesn't reopen DACA to first-time applications. As we know, because of the Texas versus United States case, USCIS is barred from processing first-time applications. The rule is unlikely to be enough to shift outcomes on the DACA case that is waiting for a decision at the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals. This is a lot of information, but we go into more detail over at our website, so visit informedimmigrant.com. Remember, DACA is still under threat. If you're a current DACA recipient and not eligible to renew, consider doing so now. We don't know when the Fifth Circuit decision will happen, but it can happen very soon. Speak to an immigration attorney or accredited representative near you. You can find a list of service providers on informedimmigrant.com.